Good afternoon. First, as of this morning, there were 137 cases in North Carolina in 38 counties. As you know, we have now confirmed community transmission. This means we have cases where we don't know how people contracted COVID-19. I'm going to take a moment to reiterate some of the things that Secretary Cohen shared yesterday. Confirmation of community transmission means that we are beginning to transition from containment to mitigation so that we can flatten the curve so that fewer people get sick at the same time and we don't overwhelm our healthcare system. As Secretary Cohen shared yesterday, we've already been taking actions as if we've had community spread to get ahead of the virus. As we move into this next phase, we need to continue to reduce the chances for further spread and exposure and protect our healthcare system so it's there when people need it. People are a key resource. Our doctors, our nurses, janitors, transporters, respiratory therapists, and many, many more who work in healthcare, and they need to have supplies like masks and gowns and gloves to keep themselves safe and healthy as they care for those who have more serious medical needs. Today, we also sent a letter to every doctor in the state to recruit volunteers to supplement our healthcare workforce. We are already seeing hospitals stopping elective surgeries, and more of that will be needed. We put out new guidance to hospitals today. Testing for people with mild illness will also become less important as we transition to this next phase. We will begin to deploy other surveillance methods to understand the spread of the virus across the state and help inform our decision-making. And more importantly, we want to reduce the chances that people will be exposed to viruses or expose others. I know this is a challenging time, but it is important to remember that the vast majority of people who get COVID-19 will have mild illness and will recover at home. Thank you. Turn it to.
Thank you, Dr. Tilson. And now we'll go to Chief Deputy Secretary Susan